Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spritch, where we practice real, everyday English together.
I'm Jack, and this is Emma. We're happy you're here with us today.
Jack, can you believe Christmas is almost here? The holiday season comes so fast every year.
I know. Everywhere I go, I see lights, decorations, and people getting ready. There's a warm feeling in the air.
Yes, it really feels like Christmas time. So today we thought, why not talk about it in English?
Exactly. Many people celebrate Christmas, and even if you don't, the words and expressions are useful in everyday conversations.
So our topic today is how to talk about Christmas Day in English.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please remember to like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot.
All right, let's get started.
Before we go deeper into Christmas Day, Emma, how are you feeling about this season?
Honestly, I love it. The days are cold, but the lights everywhere make everything feel warm.
Yes, I saw people decorating their homes last night. It looked beautiful from the street.
I know that feeling. Warm lights and cold weather always make me smile.
Same here. And the evenings feel different, quieter, calmer.
Exactly. Even when life is busy, this season adds a soft, peaceful mood.
Do you enjoy the cold, or is it too much for you?
I actually enjoy it when I'm inside with a warm drink. Outside, not so much.
Same here. A soft blanket, a hot drink, and some gentle music. That's perfect for me.
Yes, the simple things feel extra nice at this time of year.
That's true. The atmosphere changes, and people seem a little kinder, too.
So, since the season is already here, let's talk a little more about Christmas Day.
Yes, Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th. Many people celebrate it to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, and over time, it has also become a cultural holiday enjoyed by many families around the world.
Even people who don't celebrate it for religious reasons often enjoy the warm traditions, lights, family time, good food, and kindness.
Exactly. And in English conversations, people often ask friendly questions like, "How was your Christmas?" or "What did you do on Christmas Day?"
That's why it's helpful to know some simple ways to talk about this day, even if your own celebrations are different.
In easy words, Christmas Day is a time for rest, family, happiness, and small traditions that make the day feel special.
For example, on my Christmas morning, I like a slow start. I make a warm drink and call my family to wish them a happy day.
And I enjoy a quiet breakfast and a peaceful morning. Simple moments, but very meaningful.
Today, we will show you how to talk about these moments in clear, natural English.
Emma, Christmas mornings always have a special atmosphere for me. It feels calm, almost peaceful.
I know what you mean. There is a quiet anticipation in the air, like something warm and happy is about to happen.
Exactly. My morning is simple. I wake up slowly, make a hot drink, and enjoy a soft start to the day.
I like that. My morning is a little more lively. I call my family and we wish each other a happy Christmas. Those small moments feel very heartwarming to me.
Yes, sometimes the simplest moments become the most memorable ones.
Many families have their own Christmas traditions. What about yours, Jack?
Our tradition is a quiet breakfast together. Nothing fancy, but it feels meaningful because we all sit and talk.
That sounds lovely. In my family, we open one small gift in the morning. It creates a sweet sense of anticipation for the rest of the day.
I like that. A small tradition can make the whole day feel more festive. Christmas food is different in every country, but the idea is the same. A warm meal shared with people you care about.
Yes, the meal becomes a kind of family gathering, not just for eating, but for talking, laughing, and feeling close.
And the smell of a slow-cooked dish fills the home with a cozy atmosphere.
True. A meal on Christmas often feels comforting and meaningful, even if it's simple. Many people enjoy giving gifts on Christmas, not because of the objects, but because of the emotion behind them.
Yes, a thoughtful gift can feel very heartfelt.
And the moment someone opens a gift, that little smile, that soft reaction, it makes the room feel warm.
That is why exchanging gifts can be so heartwarming.
It's not about the size of the gift. It's about the feeling of kindness.
My Christmas evening is slower. I watch a gentle movie or listen to soft music.
Same here. The evening has a peaceful mood, almost like the day is telling you to rest.
Yes, a moment of reflection.
Many people spend the evening feeling gratitude for family, for comfort, for the small joys of the day.
And that is what makes Christmas memorable, even if the day is simple.
Exactly. Simple moments, warm hearts, and a gentle ending to the day. Great. Now, before we finish, let's talk about a few useful words we use today.
Yes, just 5 or 6. They are higher level, but we'll explain them in very simple English.
Jack, I heard you use the word atmosphere.
Yes, atmosphere means the feeling of a place. Calm, warm, happy, peaceful.
Like, the atmosphere on Christmas morning feels soft and quiet.
And you used anticipation.
Right. It means a happy waiting feeling when you're excited for something good.
For example, children feel a lot of anticipation before opening gifts.
I also used the word heartwarming.
Yes, I love that word. It means something that makes your heart feel warm and happy.
Like a smile, a small gift, or a kind moment.
The family gathering was heartwarming.
Another word was memorable.
That means something you can remember easily because it feels special.
The quiet evening made the day memorable.
And we talked about a gathering.
Yes, a gathering is when people come together. Family, friends, anyone.
We had a small family gathering for lunch.
Finally, the word gratitude.
A very warm word. It means feeling thankful in your heart.
At the end of the day, many people feel gratitude for the small moments.
Try using just one of these words today.
Small steps make your English stronger and more natural. Let's take a moment to review what we learned today.
Yes, we talked about how people spend Christmas Day. The morning, the food, the traditions, the gifts, and the peaceful evening.
We also used some higher level words like atmosphere, anticipation, heartwarming, memorable, gathering, and gratitude.
And we explained them in simple English so you can use them in your own conversations.
Remember, Christmas Day does not need to be big or fancy. Simple moments can feel very warm and meaningful.
And now you know how to describe those moments clearly in English.
You did great today. Even learning one new word is good progress.
Yes, every small step helps you grow in confidence. Now it's your turn to practice with us.
Yes, here is our question of the day. What is one special thing you do on a holiday in your country?
It can be anything, a family meal, a small tradition, a peaceful moment, anything that feels meaningful to you.
You can answer in 1 or 2 simple sentences.
For example, on our holiday, we have a big family gathering and share a warm meal.
Or, I enjoy a quiet morning with tea. It feels heartwarming for me.
Write your answer in the comments. It helps you practice English, and we love reading your ideas.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope this lesson helps you talk about Christmas Day with more confidence and clearer English.
Remember, learning the language is a gentle journey. You don't need to hurry. Small steps every day are enough.
And we're here to walk with you on that journey.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us.
And don't forget to share your answer to the question of the day.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep learning.
Bye.